What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I've heard a couple different ways to open the dispenser. So we're going to do it a couple different ways. So I was here to peel it right here. And then everything pops off, like so. So there you go, you will have your nice dispenser. And candy. Don't forget, kids, PEZ is a candy company, not a toy company. And then the other way I've heard is you pull this here. And as you pull that there, you can push on the candy, and then that releases your PEZ dispenser. There we go. We'll set these aside. Just there anywhere. Alright, so if we notice on the sides of these dispensers, there are two different variations. The one on the left does say Porsche. There it is. Perfect, you can see it. Now this one here, however, does not say Porsche. So there are two different variations. I forget the name of this character, but I know it's from Pixar Cars. And here you see on the side, the Disney Pixar logo is still there. Now, filling my PEZ dispenser, I like to pull it up like that so it stays open, and it will lock. Sometimes it'll snap back. But if you pull, kind of give it a little one of these, yeah, there we go, holds it open. My favorite PEZ is grape. Now back in the day you used to be able to slide it out and it fit right in. Now you have to kind of hope it tears for you the right way. So I peel this down and I try to get up to the top the best that I possibly can. All right, you're always going to have one of these. They're always there in the way, kind of messing you up. And hopefully you can tear it without losing your stack of candy. Ta-da! I did it. All right. So, take that piece off. Now I will take my PEZ dispenser. And I will push the candy into it, like so. Now I'm not going to get every single candy every single time, but one of these days I will, because I have a positive attitude, and I can only change my future. But I have just loaded my PEZ dispenser, and now we do the patented candy kicking action. And now we take our PEZ. And as it goes down, you can see it snap. That's the next one we're going to eat. Yeah. Well, there we go. So until next time.